Greetings. We are here at day 2 of Life Science Innovation Northwest, which is planned and produced by the Washington Biotechnology and Biomedical Association, fondly known as WBBA. And this series of interviews and conversations with biotech leaders is sponsored by the Ferry Group and Swedish Medical Center. I'm here again today with Chris Rivera, president of WBBA, who's going to give us some reflections and comments on highlights of the first day of the conference as well as this morning. So, Chris, tell us what's been going on.
Well, Jack, it's been a great first day and a half. Yesterday, you saw that Charles Baltic kicked it off from Needham, talked a little bit about the state of the industry from a financial perspective, gave us some positive news that capital seems to be flowing back into investments. Yes. Steve Burrell did a great job talking about the industry and where the future holds, and that the Pacific Northwest is really well positioned to be a leader globally in the next decade and more to come because of our unique collection of high-tech companies, biotech, medical device, and our unique culture of competition as well. So we're very proud of that. The panels were great, the breakout presentations were great, there was a high level of energy, and we wrapped the day up by nominating and acknowledging 6 women to watch. This is the first annual awards that the WBBA is presenting 6 women up and coming in their life science career. A lot of energy, and the house band, Jimmy Helix and the Pipettes, knocked the house over. It was a great time and a great job.
We had the chance to talk to 2 of the women who were being watched yesterday on this set of interviews, and they were both very, very impressive. Yes. I know you had a great set of people to be acknowledged.
It was, and we had over 30 nominees. It was really hard, I think, for the nominating committee to pick the top 6. We're excited, we're very proud, and we hope the tradition will continue to grow even beyond what we did this year.
So people come here to listen to amazing speakers who come sometimes from out of town and present important strategic information. They come to hear panel discussions and hear presentations from individual companies. But they also get to see exhibits and posters and just mingle and talk, and sometimes magic happens. Have you seen any of that?
You know, I can't tell you how many conversations I've had on the exhibit floor or in the break rooms or around the coffee pot. I just spoke to one medical device company. They said they met for an hour with Medtronic, and they said that would have never happened if it wouldn't have been here. They wouldn't have been here at this conference. I've had a number of people that have met with the Gates Foundation, and again, impromptu meetings. But I think the reason we do this meeting is really for those impromptu meetings, the opportunity for people that otherwise might not get together and really collaborate or at least have the conversation. They happen here. And I think one of the unique things about this conference is that it is really the only conference that brings together many disciplines within life sciences. So devices, diagnostics, software, biotech, and therapeutics. And many times those disciplines don't interact, but this is the one place they can actually get together and interact and realize that there are potential opportunities to work together.
Right. I actually saw one conversation that started off with just a social catch-up, how are you doing, and then led to a conversation about perhaps a nonprofit helping to subcontract to a company that's got so much volume that they need some additional capacity. It's just remarkable how these things kind of happen serendipitously.
And that's really the value of the conference, and really I think what the value add is for attendees that come here.
Mm-hmm. Well, we're going to do this again next year, right?
Absolutely. June 19th and 20th here at the Washington State Convention Center. Continues to be bigger and better. I had 6 people at least walk up saying they want to volunteer for the steering committee for next year. So there's a lot of energy, a lot of excitement, and the conference will continue to grow, and it'll be a great place to meet your future partners.
So if you couldn't be here this year, you can watch some of these leaders on these interviews, but you can mark your calendar for next June.
Absolutely, and you can go to washbio.org, our website. We will have the videos, we'll have the interviews, we'll have a lot of the recap of the conference on our website as well, up in the short period of time, probably by next week.
That's great. Well, congratulations, Chris, once again on a terrific Life Science Innovation Northwest.
Thank you, Jack. Appreciate it. All right.